Everybody is looking for that secret sauce to financial freedom. And I don't mean just a couple bucks, I'm talking life-changing wealth. We're diving deep into the 8 money rules that took me from zero to, well, not exactly zero, but you get the idea. These rules are the real deal, the secret sauce, the financial wisdom I wish they taught in school. Listen up, because we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. We're talking investing, side hustles, budgeting like a boss, the whole 9 yards. Whether you're starting from scratch or already rolling in dough, these rules will change your money game forever. So buckle up, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and get ready to unlock your financial freedom. Let's go! This first rule is the foundation, the bedrock, the cornerstone of building wealth. Spend less than you earn. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, it's harder than it looks. We live in a world of instant gratification, where everyone's trying to flex on Instagram with the latest and greatest. But real wealth isn't about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about building a solid financial future. That means living below your means, cutting unnecessary expenses, and treating your savings like a bill you have to pay every single month. And that difference between what you earn and what you spend, that's where the magic happens. Once you've got that money saved up, it's time to put it to work. We're not talking about hiding it under your mattress. We're talking about investing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing is scary, it's risky, it's only for rich people. Wrong. There are tons of ways to invest, from the stock market to real estate to starting your own business. The key is to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and don't be afraid to ask for help from a financial advisor if you need it. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Not all debt is created equal. There's good debt, like a mortgage on a rental property that generates income, and then there's bad debt, the kind that sucks the money right out of your wallet. We're talking credit card debt, payday loans, car loans for cars you can't afford. This kind of debt is a trap, with high interest rates that keep you stuck in a cycle of owing money. Avoid it like the plague. If you're already in debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Your future self will thank you. Relying on just one source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. What happens if you lose your job, your hours get cut, or your business takes a hit? That's why it's crucial to create multiple streams of income. This could be anything from starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or even just picking up a part-time gig. The more income streams you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Plus, who doesn't love having extra cash to play with? Saving and budgeting might not sound as exciting as investing or side hustles, but it's the glue that holds everything together. Without a solid budget, it's easy to overspend, rack up debt, and sabotage your financial goals. Start by tracking your expenses, identifying areas where you can cut back, and automating your savings. And yes, it's okay to treat yourself once in a while, but make sure it's planned for in your budget. Remember, financial freedom is about having choices, and that includes enjoying the fruits of your labor. The world of finance can seem complicated and intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. There are countless resources available to help you learn about investing, budgeting, money management, and everything in between. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, whatever works best for you. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it can also lead to serious wealth. Building wealth requires stepping outside your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. This doesn't mean throwing caution to the wind and investing in every get-rich-quick scheme that comes along. It means doing your research, weighing the potential rewards against the risks, and being prepared to pivot if things don't go as planned. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all, so don't be afraid to bet on yourself and your ability to create something great. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There's no magic bullet, no overnight solution, no secret formula. It takes time, discipline, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Stay focused on your goals, make adjustments along the way, and never give up on your dream of financial freedom. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Keep grinding, keep learning, keep growing, and you'll get there. So there you have it, folks. The 8 money rules that can help you unlock your financial freedom. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid foundation for a lifetime of wealth and abundance. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lila, this is great and all, but I need some cold hard cash right now. Don't worry, I got you covered. We're giving away, insert amount, to one lucky subscriber who likes this video, subscribes to the channel, and leaves a comment telling me which of these money rules you're going to implement in your life. It could be you. So what are you waiting for? Get to it.